It's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales, and we are on board this CNC 34. It's 1978. It's got a Yanmar diesel. It's a 20 horsepower rebuilt in 2011. It also has a dripless shaft seal in it, which is a nice upgrade on this boat too. We're doing a quick startup video. We're the only brokerage doing startup videos, walkthrough videos, outside videos, inside, and when appropriate, sea trials. This boat has 1,025 hours since that rebuilt was done. It was done here in Westwind Marine here in Point Roberts, Washington. The boat is in Washington. It is a Canadian boat. We are bonded and licensed in Washington State, and we're certified brokers in British Columbia as well. Nice boat, comes with assumable moorage. We're going to do a quick startup video. We're going to turn the key. We're going to give it some throttle. This is a dead cold start. I have not started this boat yet. Here we go. I'm going to hold the start button. I'm using one hand. I might have to grab the throttle quickly, but here we go. It starts up right away. Back off the throttle. You can see the RPMs. There we go. Quick look out the back. We got good water flow coming out of the boat right now. You can see that out the back, and there's no excess smoke whatsoever. What we want to see, that's a dead cold start on a CNC 34 with a Yanmar diesel. It's got a 20 horsepower engine. It was rebuilt in 2011. It's got 1,025 hours since that time was done. We have the paperwork for that engine. It's got a full tank of fuel in it, which is nice to see always. And you can see that the temp gauge is not reading right now because it's a dead cold start. So that's a startup video on your 34 CNC. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. Give me a call, 604-708-1980. 27 years in business. Why you need to be phoning us. Again, thanks for watching our startup video on our CNC 34 with a 20 horsepower Yanmar diesel in it. Thanks again.